Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm going to do the 10 minute, 1 minute, 10 seconds art challenge created by Mark Crilley. Mark Crilley is one of the first artists I ever watched on YouTube. He's like the godfather of the art community. He is also a fantastic graphic novel artist. I have one of my favorite books of his, and that's Brody's Ghost. Like you see, it's a big book with amazing art in it. Highly recommend this one. Buy it, read it. It's a great story, great characters, great art in it. He also created the 10 minute, 1 minute, 10 second art challenge. This art challenge consists of making a drawing 3 times over with a time limit. The first time you will have to make the drawing in 10 minutes. The second time you will have to make the same drawing in 1 minute. And the third time you will have to create the same illustration in just 10 seconds. You heard me right. 10 seconds. If you ask me, a great recipe for disaster. I can't wait to tackle this one, so let's get drawing. Okay, let's start with the 10-minute drawing. I will go in with fine liners right away. I don't have time for an underdrawing in pencil, I guess, and I decided to go for a more cartoony character because of the time limit. I think I better not try to draw in my usual realistic style, and I thought it would be funny to draw a fat Batman eating a hamburger. And you can see I have the stopwatch of my iPhone already set on 10 minutes, so let's get started. Okay, not bad, not bad. I wish I had more time, it would be more clean and more refined, I guess. I would love to do some more rendering and shading on this one, but all in all, considering the time limit, I'm pretty happy with how this Batman turned out. Yeah, so off to the next challenge. Let's do this in 1 minute. Okay, the stopwatch is set on 1 minute now, so let's try to redraw this fat Batman in 1 minute. Oh god, this will be a challenge, but here goes. Oh my, 1 minute flies by so fast. Yeah, what can I say? This is not my best drawing, I guess. Yeah, at least I got in all the elements of the drawing. I have a Batman-ish character. I have the logo in, but yeah, it really looks wonky. The hamburger is there, and there's a kind of thing that resembles a hand. And yeah, not my best drawing, I guess. So now I'm really scared for the 10-second challenge, but there's no point in waiting, so let's go on with the 10-second challenge. Okay, I've set the timer to 10 seconds. Yeah, no point waiting here, so let's do this. Here goes. This is ridiculous. 10 seconds that were just... Was that really 10 seconds? It just flew by, I guess. Look at those ears. I barely got in all the details. These are not details, these are just lines. I guess the hamburger is just a circle, and is that supposed to be a hand? I don't even got to the logo. I did not even finish his head. Wow, this is just crazy. But yeah, what can you say? It's 10 seconds. Of course you cannot do a decent drawing in 1 minute, and certainly not in 10 seconds, but that's not the point of this challenge. It's to have fun with art, I guess, and that certainly was the case here. I had a lot of fun doing this, so let's turn around the camera for some final words. That's it for this week's video. I had a lot of fun with this fun art challenge. Did you like it as well? Please let me know in the comment section. Normally I do big finished illustrations on this channel, but I thought it would be fun now and then to throw in one of these fun art challenges just to mix it up a little bit. So what do you guys think? Did you like this? If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!